Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet? Do you want to become a millionaire? Well, you've come to the right place. I'll show you how to go from being broke to becoming a millionaire. Join me for tips and tricks on how to start investing, save money, and get ahead financially. Let's get started. 1. Start a business. If you're serious about becoming a millionaire, starting a business is the best way to get there. Consider what type of business you'd like to start, research the market, and plan for success. Starting a business is the best way to become a millionaire. Before starting a business, it is important to consider what type of business you would like to start. Researching the market is essential in order to identify the potential opportunities that exist in the market and the most lucrative ones. Additionally, it is important to develop a business plan that includes the different aspects of the business, such as marketing, operations, and finances. Furthermore, it is important to create objectives, consider potential risks, and develop strategies to address them and identify the resources that will be needed to run the business. 2. Invest in real estate. Real estate is considered one of the most reliable investments for creating wealth. Consider buying a property and renting it out for a steady stream of income. Investing in real estate is an excellent option for those looking to create wealth over the long term. Real estate can provide a steady stream of income if you buy a property and rent it out. This income can be used to help supplement other investments or to help cover living expenses. Real estate investments can also increase in value over time, which can lead to capital gains when the property is sold. Additionally, real estate investments can also provide tax benefits as they can be depreciated and deductions can be taken for interest payments and other costs associated with the property. 3. Invest in stocks and bonds. Diversifying your investments by buying stocks and bonds is a great way to increase your wealth. Research the best stocks and bonds to buy and consider getting professional advice from an investment advisor. Investing in stocks and bonds is a smart way to diversify your portfolio and increase your wealth. To get started, it is important to do your research and select the right stocks and bonds that best suit your goals and risk tolerance. You can begin by researching different stocks and bonds to determine which ones will provide the most potential for return. Consider consulting a financial advisor or investment advisor to get professional advice and learn more about the different types of investments available. Once you have chosen the right stocks and bonds, you can start investing and watch your wealth grow over time. 4. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best way to become wealthy. Take courses to learn new skills, read books to increase your knowledge, and attend seminars to network with others. Investing in yourself is one of the best and most important ways to go from being broke to becoming a millionaire. It is essential to take the time to learn new skills, increase your knowledge, and network with others. Doing so will open up a world of opportunities. Taking courses and attending seminars are great ways to learn new skills such as stock trading, real estate investing, entrepreneurship, or financial planning. Reading books is also a great way to increase knowledge in various fields. Networking with others can also be helpful in finding new opportunities. 5. Start a side hustle. Consider starting a side hustle to generate extra income. It could be something as simple as selling items on eBay or as complex as creating your own online store. Starting a side hustle is one of the best ways to go from being broke to becoming a millionaire. It takes dedication, hard work, and a bit of luck, but it can be a great way to create a steady stream of income that can help you save money and eventually become a millionaire. Side hustles can be anything from creating an online store or selling items on eBay to offering freelance services or starting a blog. With a little bit of creativity, you can find a side hustle that fits your lifestyle and helps you build wealth. 6. Create passive income. Create a passive income stream by investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. This will help you generate a steady income that you don't have to actively work for. Having a passive income is one of the key ways to go from being broke to becoming a millionaire. Passive income is income that you don't have to actively work for, such as dividends, royalties, or rental income. By investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, You can create a passive income stream that will help you generate a steady income without having to work for it. Investing your money and having passive income streams is a great way to grow your wealth and reach your goal of becoming a millionaire. With careful planning and investing, it is possible to go from being broke to becoming a millionaire. 7. Cut your expenses. Take a look at how much you're spending every month and consider where you can cut back. Little changes like bringing your lunch to work and cutting out non-essential purchases can help you save a lot of money in the long run. Cutting your expenses is one of the most important steps to going from being broke to becoming a millionaire. It requires a lot of discipline, but can make a big difference in your financial situation. By taking a close look at your monthly spending, you can identify areas where you can cut back. This could mean bringing your lunch to work, limiting non-essential purchases, or searching for cheaper alternatives to an item you need. Although it may feel like a sacrifice in the short term, cutting your expenses can help you save a lot of money that can be invested in the future. With careful budgeting and disciplined spending, you can take a big step towards becoming a millionaire. 8. Live beneath your means. Spend less than you make and make sure you're consistently saving money. This will help you build up your wealth over time. Living beneath your means is an important step in achieving financial success. It means spending less than you earn and putting the difference into savings. This will help you build up a financial cushion that can be used to make investments, start a business, or weather unexpected expenses. It also helps you avoid going into debt, which can have long-term negative impacts. Living beneath your means is a habit that can be developed over time and will help you reach your goal of becoming a millionaire. It is important to remember that no matter how much money you make, it is important to be mindful of your spending habits and prioritize saving for the future. 9. Automate your savings. Automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into a savings account every month. This will help you save without having to think about it. Saving money is one of the most important steps in becoming a millionaire. A great way to do this is by automating your savings. Automating your savings involves setting up a regular transfer from your paycheck into a savings account. This way, you don't have to worry about remembering to move money into savings every month. It will just happen automatically. By automating your savings, you can essentially put your money on autopilot and watch it grow over time. 10. Start a blog. Blogging is a great way to make money online. Consider creating a blog related to something you're passionate about and monetizing it with ads or affiliate marketing. Blogging can be an incredibly rewarding experience, giving you the opportunity to share your passions with the world and make money in the process. It's a great way to turn your hobbies into income and to become a millionaire. To get started, the first step is to create a blog. You can choose a platform like WordPress or Squarespace. Then pick a domain name and hosting plan. Once you have the technical details figured out, you'll need to create content. Generating ideas, writing, and editing posts can take some time, but it's worth it in the long run. Once you have some content and readers, you can monetize your blog with ads or affiliate marketing. You can also create a product or service and use your blog to promote it. With dedication and hard work, you can use your blog to become a millionaire. So this was all about the video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.